Okay, good morning to all. I am Ramesh Babu Arja. My international identification in ham radio is VU2 RDM. If I am communicating the other countries, I have to identify with my call sign, not with my name. If I say I am Ramesh, they may ask which Ramesh you are from, where from you are. If I say VU to RDM, no need of giving my address. Internationally, only one VU to RDM will be there. By referring the call book, just like telephone directory, one can also know which place or which country I belongs. So, it is an international identification recognition. This wonderful hobby, it has given a ample opportunity to communicate all over the world without having any interlinking to the telephone lines or cell communication. It is an independent communication system. In the disasters, when all types of communication fails, even cell communication, those so-called prestigious cell towers, they were pushed with the impact of gale winds that are reaching 250 kilometers per hour. Whole communication will be disrupted, but ham radio still works. It is not at all connected to any wires or any cell phone network. It is an independent communication system. Wherever we go, proudly you can say it is our communication system. Just for the purpose of demonstration purpose, we have brought here VHF, that's local communication. We are having the communication sets like high frequency, global range, satellite communication devices are also there. You are all eligible to get this license. Don't worry, whichever stream you belongs, whether BSc or BA. Only thing is you should have the interest and passion for this ham radio. Don't connect to any academic background. There are some people, even they belongs not from the science stream, they belongs to some other stream. Some doctors like Mr. Naidu, Visakhapatnam, working as a head of the department in KIMS Medical College, Hyderabad. He has invented a software defined radio, which is costing around the international market 2 lakhs rupees. But whereas Mr. Naidu of Visakhapatnam, he has designed and he's brought out the circuit just only for 9,000 rupees. You can believe. He has created a history by bringing down the equipment using the local components. Of course, some foreign components are also there. And he assembled this in his laboratory. Like this, one Mr. Dr. Rajasekhar of Nellore. He basically is not at all having any electronics background. He's an aquaculture PhD holder. He brought out a circuit, 5-band ham radio transceiver, right from operating from 3 megahertz to 30 megahertz. He designed himself. He made the PCBs in his house. Surprised and shocking thing is, using all the homemade devices, he has made PCB, printed circuit boards of his own, assembled. He has shown to the world a low-cost ham radio equipment from our country. And the other person is none other than Mr. Sasi Bhushan. who is from Veluru, your own district, West Godavari headquarters. He was a student, C.R. Reddy Engineering College, and then he obtained the ham license. Now he is creating the history not only in the country, in the entire world by aligning with some people like Farhan, Hyderabad, using their knowledge, whatever knowledge they have. Mr. Farhan, he has been working in this field for the last 40 years, using his ideas, brought out a circuit. Mr. Sasibhushan aligned with Farhan and others in Hyderabad. They brought out a circuit SBTX. It has created a worldwide sensation. Now all the Americans are looking towards India just because of their innovative ideas. SBTX, even if you must be all having internet facility, even through your phone also, you can browse in the YouTube SBTX, SBTX, a transceiver, worldwide transceiver. They have made, assembled for the purpose of middle class. They brought out the circuit at the rate of 4,000 rupees. Global communication equipment, just only 4,000. Even you cannot get a cell phone with that amount, but they have supplied in many occasions SPTX. Now that is called UBTX. SPTX is the digital transceiver. It is a bit costly, something 20,000. All the digital modes are there, 25,000. They brought out some other circuit, just only that will fit in our packet. ZPTX, that's costing 15,000. If you are having such kind of equipment, even a cell phone also, it will cost more than this 15,000. So with the ZPTX we are having, pushing at about 5 watts, it can reach all over, not only the country, it will reach the far off countries also. From the places like this is a very idle place, you don't find much RF interference, radio frequency interference. In the cities, you will find all the QRM interference due to appliances, a variable variety of appliances. All these things will create some noise, electrical noise. Whereas these places are ideal for communication. You can connect to the world, entire world. You may be thinking you need not invest much money, as I'm telling you, just 15,000 ZPTX 5 watts, you can reach any part of the globe. Even interesting thing is, you may be thinking why these people are bringing out a old technology. It's not at all a old technology, ham radio. Hams are upgrading themselves with the changing, with the tune of the latest technology. Hams are now going to satellite communication. Exclusively satellites are also there. QO 100 satellite. With using that satellite, you can connect to nearly 120 countries. Sitting here from this place, and in Yeluru also, some of the friends, they are having this type of technology, satellite devices, and they are having, you can also have. I'm finding this is a very developed place, Jangareddygudem. First time I'm coming this place in my lifetime. First time. I have been to several places. First time finding so much of commercial activities going on. More and more people, they can afford this amount. And people, the colleges like are there, like the CSTS college promoting ham radio, and in hoping in future we'll have some more activity, some more hams